This is going to be the unboxing of the lens case and the telephoto lens by Sandmarc. Start off with the lens case. Here's the lens case. Sandmarc. These are the spots where you put the telephoto lens, which is right there, which we'll be unboxing that right now. Here's the Sandmarc telephoto lens, compatible with iPhone, designed in California. Here is the case. Here's the clipper. Something to hang onto your stuff. And we'll open this bag right here. Lens cleaner. A little bit. Here's the lens. Telephoto lens. 58 millimeters. Here it is right here. My iPhone is right here. So let's take out the cover. And we'll put this case on. There are two slots where you can screw this in. Let's screw this in. Just like that. Alright, we're going to be doing some testing of this in the morning. So, hope you enjoyed it. Alright, we're going to do some testing on the iPhone 14 Pro with the 58mm telephoto lens. This is what the video looks like at 1x zoom with the 58mm telephoto lens. This is what the video looks like without the 58mm lens at 1x zoom. This is what video looks like at 9x zoom with the telephoto 58mm lenses. This is what it looks like without the 58mm lenses at 9x zoom. Alright, that's all for the testing on the iPhone 14 Pro with the 58mm telephoto lenses. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.